Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the December unboxing for Bargain Bead Box. Very excited. I love the beads. It's called Winter Wonderland. The Bargain Bead Box. Chili blue and icy crystal combine for an elegant winter collection. Genuine quartz is our centerpiece with rough natural points reminiscent of icicles and a strand of pale ice blue graduated rounds. Other highlights include sparkling cut glass snowflakes, snowy howlite, and winter crystal accents. Antique silver findings add the final touch. Oh, sounds beautiful. It says the approximate total retail value for this shipment is $65. So let's start with this. Like Christmas every month when we get these. So, okay. Now they always come in this nice little organza bag. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Push these aside. Let me get set up and I will be right back. First off, we have 4 pieces of 25 by 22 millimeter Snowflake Links. Very pretty. Very pretty. You can do a lot with these. Okay, number 2 is 1 meter of 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter steel lumicina jewelry chain. Not sure how to pronounce that. I think it's Italian though, so I should know that. Oh, this is pretty. Let me untangle it here and I'll show you. Oh, this is really pretty. This is different from what we normally get. Mine has a little, let me see here. If you can see that, it's very pretty. Number 3 is a 48 millimeter cutout round winter focal. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Very pretty. It's got something in it. Oh, had a little something in it there. Okay. Very pretty. Number 4 is a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter natural quartz crystal round beads. Very pretty. I have so many ideas already for this stuff. Yes. Very pretty. Number 5 is a 40 piece of lacy 6-petal bead caps. Can never have enough bead caps. I go through these like crazy. They're pretty. I love that. Very, very delicate and feminine looking. Number 6 is a 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter matte natural howlite round beads. Usually you see howlite colored. I've never really seen them natural before. At least not too much. Very nice. The holes are really good in these. If you look, you can see. You can do a lot with these beads. Okay. Number 7 is a 10-gram bag of 8.5 by 9.5 millimeter snowflake beads. Oh. Very pretty. And the holes up there. can see that. These would be pretty. Okay. Number 8 is a 7-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter crystal Rondelle beads in matte ice blue. I'm always able to make such great things with this box every month, this bag every month. Very pretty. It's got like a shimmer to it, but it's, you know, because it's matte, it's not as shimmery as the other ones, but it still has a little bit of a shimmer to it. Okay, number 9 is 18 millimeter cut glass crystal round snowflake pendant in Bermuda blue. Ooh. Wow, I don't know if you could see the sparkle on that. Very pretty. What I think would look pretty is taking, like, let's say you just wanted to use a chain or something on these. What you could do is just, oh, and this probably will not stay because of the way I'm holding this. But if you were to put like this bead cap right there over that, like that, to cover up that hole or something like that. That's what's coming to mind for this, just to kind of hide the hole, make a decoration out of it. Let me put these away. Okay, number 10 is a 2-piece 14 millimeter cut glass crystal snowflake pendant. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Number 11. Wait, 8, 9. Okay, number 10. 2-piece. Okay, okay. 2-piece 14 millimeter cut glass crystal snowflake pendant in Bermuda blue. Oh, okay. It's the same description. That's why I'm confused here. Oh, these are really pretty. Yeah, I mean, you could even do like, yeah, that's the other side of it. This is pretty good quality for this. I mean, you could even do like, put this on a chain, do necklace, and then do some drop earrings with this. You have a really pretty set for somebody for a Christmas gift or for yourself if you're going out somewhere. Okay, number 11 is 2-piece 17 by 23 millimeter Snowflake Cut Out Chandelier. Okay. These are pretty. It's like it looks like a snowflake, but it kind of doesn't. But I mean, it, you know, like if you had it for a Christmas set of earrings or something, you would totally be able to tell it is. But like to just look at it, you wouldn't, you know, you could almost think more of a flower, but it's very pretty. There's 11. So 12 is 3-piece electroplated natural rough quartz points. Size and shape will vary. Oh, very pretty. Oh, I'm seeing like a wire wrap and an icicle necklace or choker. I think that would be really cool. Kind of like a rustic choker. Okay, number 13 is approximately 15-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal Bicone beads in metallic blue iris. We get these every month, but I always put them to good use. That's a pretty nice strand here. Holes look being good quality. They're nice beads. So number 14 is a 16-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal Rondelle beads in steel blue metallic iris. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Yes. Yes, yes, gimme, gimme. Yeah, the holes look really well. Really beautiful. Such great, you know, the beads for the price of this. You can't beat it. Number 15 is a 5-piece 12mm half matte crystal coin beads in pale steel blue shimmer. Oh, these are so pretty. I love when we get these. Every once in a while we get these, like maybe every couple months, we'll get some of these. The holes right there. Oh, these are so pretty. And they're double-sided. So beautiful. Okay. Number 16 is a 20-piece 6mm crystal coin beads slate blue iris. Oh, yes. I love that we have so many different shapes of beads. Oh, look at this. See how, oh my gosh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. This strand, it's just the way it sparkles. Oh, I cannot wait to make some stuff with this. Number 17 is a 10 grams of 5x2mm smooth Rondelle spacer beads. Oh, I like these. They're just kind of neutral, so you can, you know. Yeah, these are really nice. Yeah, a whole bag of them there. I like these. I don't think I have any like this. They're just plain without any, you know, like these. Like I love these too. But it's nice to have these. So number 18 is a 2-piece 38x9mm Swirl Links. Okay. Oh. The same on both sides. I'm kind of thinking like a cool pair of like drop earrings, like putting the ear wire here and then having something dangle here and something dangle here. Or you could just have something dangle here and not there. Those would be really pretty. Or you could do something like, let me see here. Or you could do some kind of like a pendant with it. You know, like kind of something like that. There's a lot you could do with this, or you could do something like this. Do like, and then have something dangling there. The possibilities are endless with this. That's what I love about beading and jewelry. Okay, number 19 is 2 sets of 20.5mm brass swirl toggle clasps in silver finish. Oh, very pretty. Both sides. Very nice. Very nice. You could even use this as some kind of like a piece of a pendant or something, or just, you know, use these as earrings even if you wanted to, and then dangle something there. Or this could be like the front of a necklace, and you could have like this actually be like a focal piece of it and have something dangling here as the bar's going across. Lots of ideas. And last but not least, number 20 is approximately 17-inch strand of 6x14mm ice blue quartz dyed graduated rounds. Whoa. Oh. Wow. These are gorgeous. Look at the holes, really nice quality. I always look at that because, you know, sometimes the beads are a little cheaper, and although you could always put a bead cap on it too, but it would be pretty with a bead cap anyway. Wow, you could just literally put a lobster or toggle clasp right here, and you've got a beautiful necklace for a gift. You don't even have to do anything with these. They're already set up for you. Wow. So let me see. My favorite, I think, are these, and, you know, I'm really, I'm a sparkly girl, so I do like these. But these are really pretty. I wouldn't normally have bought something like this, but they're really pretty. But I think these two are my favorite out of the box. Number 20 and number 15. So let me know if you get the Bargain Bead Box, which ones you like the best. Let me know below. So I will be putting up a video like within the next week. I will work on this and create some stuff out of this and put something up. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you liked this and if you would like to see any other types of videos. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I do have an Etsy store. I'll put the link below. And thanks again, and see you soon on my next video, and have a great day.